Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, GTA is under severe snowstorm and it's the Boxing Day today. Maybe when you see this video it's all the Boxing Day is over, and my plan is to go somewhere, okay, with family to celebrate. So before I go I have to prep this home so that it is convenient. As per the law, after the snowstorm is over we have next day till 11, so definitely I have too much of time, like even tomorrow, so there's some snowstorm, so I don't have to clean it today, but because I want to make it comfortable for everyone and I want to be a good landlord, that's what I'm gonna do. So what I'm gonna do, like it hasn't converted to ice yet, it's snow, so I'm just gonna shovel it everywhere and then I'm gonna put ice on it. So sorry, salt on it, ice salt. So the very first thing, like I have two kinds of surface, one is concrete and one is asphalt. So right now I'm showing you on concrete. So I'm just moving it a bit. Okay. And then I have asphalt driveway too, that also I have to clean, and I have pedestrian walkway to do. So push slightly, because right now ice hasn't formed, so this is a good time to remove some layer. Okay, if ice has formed you need to follow a different strategy, but right now ice hasn't formed yet, so I want to prep the surface. Okay. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove the snow like this. You see that I'm doing it. Okay. Then once this is done, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put salt on it, so that it becomes like when more snow and when more snow falls on it, it does not become ice. Okay, so that is how you should do it. When you have long driveway, you have to move faster, and you are supposed to clean the walkway too. It looks like my neighbor hasn't done well, because it's like, why don't these guys clean in time? I have no idea. Okay, almost I'm there, and I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna show you again when I put salt. So now this concrete surface have been shoveled. I'm gonna add salt on it. Okay, and this salt I'm using. Even on asphalt surface I have added this salt, and you can see melting effect is being seen. So this is how you can prepare. You may need to do it more based on the intensity of the snowstorm, which is too much today. So this is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.